I found this is something powerful. Get acquainted with Allah during your days of ease. Get close to Allah when nothing is wrong in your life. Everything is smooth sailing. Then go close to Allah. So, what will happen? When the days are tough for you, Allah will come to you. Subhanallah. My worshipper, Yunus alayhi salam, it is reported that when he was down in the belly of the fish, in the darkness of the water, at the bottom, darkness, the angels were saying, "Oh Allah, the one who does your tasbih with a beautiful voice every day, today the same voice is calling from a totally different place seeking your help." What miracle happened? The fish spat him out. He came out. He was not even proper in terms of his skin and so on. Allah helped and he was cured and everything happened. So my brothers and sisters, when Allah wants something from you, He puts a test in your life. When He puts a test in your life, draw close. Don't worry. You're not the first person who is sick. You're not the first person who is ill. May Allah grant shifa to all those who are sick and ill. You are not the first person who is suffering the loss that you are suffering. No, there were millions before you and millions after you. You are one only to Allah. He loves you. He wants you to come. So naturally a mu'min who has some iman will then realize, you know what, I need to turn to Allah. Let me raise my hands for Allah. Let me make tawbah. Let me change my life. Let me do something better. This is Allah calling me, literally calling me through these issues. And I promise you, the doors begin to open one after the other. Never give up on dua. Nothing is impossible for Allah. Look at what Allah says in the Quran. He is the one who responds to the one in distress. Who is there besides Allah who will respond to the one in distress? I've known of people who were perhaps given a short time to live by medicine and the medical fraternity based on their experience. 6 years on and they are alive and healthy and well. Why? أَمَّن يُجِيبُ الْمُضْطَرَّ إِذَا دَعَاهُ وَيَكْشِفُ السُّوءَ وَيَجْعَلُكُمْ خُلَفَاءَ الْأَرْضِ. Who is there besides Allah who responds to the one in distress when he calls out? You are totally helpless and you say, "Oh Allah, there is nobody and nothing and not me and not any power on earth that can help me right now besides you, oh Allah." Allah says, I listen to that. I listen to that and I respond immediately. And He is the one who makes us inherit the earth. Allah says, "Ilahum ma'allah." Is there any deity besides Allah? It's Allah alone. Qalilan ma tadhakkarun. So we turn to Allah. Let's invest in our relationship with Allah. Invest in it by making an effort. Salah is very important. I have found something. If you want your life to change, 5 salah. And you do it enthusiastically, happily, come a little bit early, fulfill your salah and go back. That salah itself will help you to stay away from haram. It will increase your goodness. It will increase barakah in your family. And the same way you invest in your relationship with Allah, you must invest in your relationships within your families. You have a wife. You have, for example, brothers and sisters, your parents, your children. You need to invest in the relationship, your time, your effort. You need to teach them a word of goodness, or you need to at least mention brilliant words. When you invest in a relationship, it will blossom, starting with Allah and then everyone else.